There's a secret weapon in the AI war, and nobody's talking about it. It's not ChatGPT, it's not Gemini, and it's definitely not Google. It's Claude 3. Claude who? Exactly. Nobody's talking about it, but everyone should be. So, what makes it so scary? For starters, Claude 3 can read over 100,000 words in a single prompt. That means it can process entire books, contracts, or research reports in seconds. But it's not just reading, it's reasoning, it understands. And it beats GPT-4 in multiple benchmarks: reasoning, coding, math, language, logic. It passed the bar exam with flying colors, scored higher than GPT-4 on the GRE, and it writes like a philosopher on steroids. But here's the part nobody's telling you. Claude 3 is developed by Anthropic, and they're backed by Amazon and Google. Yeah, the big guys. They've quietly invested billions into this AI and are keeping it just under the radar. Why? Because it's not a chatbot. It's a thinking machine, and they plan to integrate it into everything. Cloud systems, enterprise tools, even Alexa. Soon you might be talking to Claude without even knowing it. Scary? Yeah, but it's also the future. Claude 3 is faster, quieter, and way more powerful than people realize. And if you're not paying attention to it now, you'll regret it later. Subscribe to NextGen AI, because we're not just showing you what's trending, we're showing you what's coming. And trust me, Claude 3 is coming fast.